Hi there, it's Mrs. Hobart, and I'm coming to share this week's tech tip with you. This week we're going to look at Flippity.net random name picker. So you're going to start at going to Flippity.net. Flippity uses Google Sheets to create online tools for teaching and learning. We're going to talk today about the Flippity random name picker. So I'm going to navigate here on the website. You can watch a demo or do instructions, but that's basically what I'm doing. You're going to start by going to Template. It's going to ask you if you want to make a copy, and you'll say yes, make a copy. Once this opens up, I'm going to want to save this after I edit. That way I can keep it and go back and add kids or change kids if I have changes in my class. So when you open this sheet, you do not want to touch the blue cells up at the top. What I do want to do is get rid of the list of names that's there and add my own class in. So once I've got my class in there, my next step is I need to publish this. So I want to go to File and Publish to the web. I recommend you only use their first names. You could put photos in here if you want, but I think it's fine just with the name. So I'm going to do Publish to Web, say yes. I can grab the link here, or I can go down here to the green tab, and that'll take me to the page. So I grab the link up here, and that's going to open my very own Flippity. Now when I get there, I can spin the wheel to call kids randomly by name. I can also go over here to single name and call them, just toggle like this with the arrows. I have several different grouping options up here, or team options. I like to go to the More button because I can pick exactly what I need. So if I need 6 teams for an activity we're going to do, it'll group the kids. If I'm not real happy with those groups, I can do the switch it up by doing that. So it's a really awesome tool. Just to remind you, when you come over here, you do want to go ahead and save a copy of this to your, I create a Flippity folder and put it in my Flippity folder. So that way I can always go back and edit quickly. You'll want to save your name picker to your desktop so you can grab it whenever you need it. And if you need any help, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'll be glad to help.